Hi again. Nested fields in Flowfinity allow embedding of multi-row tables of related detailed records right into the main record. Because nested fields contain multiple embedded rows of data, referencing field data in formulas is different from regular top-level fields. With nested fields, one needs to use aggregate functions when referencing the data on the upper level. Flowfinity exposes the following aggregate functions for use with nested field data: count, minimum, maximum, average, and sum. In this example, we'll create a formula which will aggregate an average of pollution measurements of different sites saved in the record in nested field rows, excluding those sites which are not functioning anymore. Let's proceed. Open the Configure tab. Customize your application. We're modifying the Field Measurements app we've pre-configured previously for this tutorial. If you would like to use your own app, you will need to copy the nested field configuration in the app used in this demonstration to your app of choice. Let's take a look at our nested field Sites Pollution Info. It contains 5 subfields: site name, availability, current pollution level, latest pollution measurements, and special notes. The availability field shows whether the site is active or closed, and we'll need to include that in our formula. Go back to the main Forms page and create a new field, Average Pollution Level in Active Sites. Make it numeric and check Allow Decimal Values. Next, click ABC and select Formula Calculation. Formulas for nested fields need to include the subfields you want to aggregate. For example, if you want to reference a latest pollution measurements field, you'll have to type in the following: nested field name first, then the subfield name after the dot. Keep in mind that even if you have one record in a nested field, you'll still have to use aggregate functions and conditional formulas to extract the exact values you require for use in your formulas. In our case, we're going to aggregate an average pollution level from our active sites. To do that, in Average Pollution Level on Active Sites formula calculation, type in the following formula. This formula first checks if the site is active, then, if it is true, adds its latest pollution measurements into aggregation to calculate an average for all active sites. Save the form and publish the app. See how the formula changes the final data with the addition of more active sites or with closing some existing ones? That's the power of functions in Flowfinity. Done! Now you know how to create aggregate formulas and include nested field data into your calculations. For more practice, you can sign up for a trial or review our knowledge base. Feel free to contact us with additional questions or for support. Thanks for watching.